Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In this video, we are going to get an overview of the urinary system. And we're also going to focus in a little bit more on the urinary bladder. Let's go ahead and start with the kidneys. We've got our right kidney, we've got our left kidney. We can even see our adrenal glands sitting atop each of our kidneys. We know that the kidneys are going to be producing urine, and that urine is going to then move into the ureters. We have a ureter here. We also have one over here. And then if we follow those ureters, they are eventually going to make their way down to this urinary bladder. Now I'm going to open up the urinary bladder, and then that way we can see some additional structures inside. I've not only opened up the urinary bladder, but I've also separated it out just so we can focus on it a little bit better. So again, here we have the urinary bladder. Here we can still see a portion of each ureter. Those would extend up towards the kidneys like we saw a moment ago. If we look inside the urinary bladder, there are a series of folds, and those folds are known as rugae. And then we have this triangular or funnel-shaped structure here that's known as the trigon. And then we can see the urethra. Now this is representing male anatomy because it also includes a prostate gland. And in the male, part of the urethra runs through that prostate gland.